What's up, guys? Welcome back to the 1973 Honda CB504 Cafe Racer build. In this video, we are taking the bike to get it inspected. And let me just do a quick check, do my own inspection. Prior to the inspection, I always do that, just to make sure everything's working so I don't look like a fool. Front right turn signals work. Front left turn signals work. Horn, yep. High beam, yep. Off, yep. And then rear left, yes. Rear right, yep. And lastly, brake light. Alright, we're all good. Let's go get her inspected, shall we? I think that's all they look at, really. Also I have mirrors, so I think they look at that too. Okay, let's see how she wants to start up today. We'll put the fuel on, a little bit of choke action. And that's it. Super easy. Here we go. There's a cop right here. Let's see if he says, hey, you don't have an inspection. I'll be like, I'm literally on my way right now. No, he didn't say anything. Feeling fast. I might have to do another 0 to 60 run after we get this inspection done. She said it'd be there before 4:30. It is 4:15 and we're almost there. I think we made it. Man, it is like the perfect day. It's 70 degrees was the high today. And there's a nice cool breeze. Man, it just feels great to be in long sleeves riding. It's like the perfect riding weather for me.
I think it's so great.
Thanks,
in
man.
every way.
I did it myself. It's been a long project, but finally getting it.
How'd you do that?
You would never believe how I did it, actually. No, it's paint and wood stain.
And you dragged it like that to make it?
Yeah, it was like a paint Thank you.
Excellent job. That was super awesome.
How you doing, man?
Like that paint job.
Oh,
thank
it's
you.
so great, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's done, custom, done by myself.
Nice. Almost a good wood.
Yeah, that's what I was going for. Do you have time for an inspection?
Yeah, I could probably fit you in.
Oh, that's right. It's all-wheel drive, ain't it?
Yeah, I just got a new title for it. It didn't have one, so I got like. Can you use that?
I can use the pink slip.
Pink slip.
Yeah, pink slip and the insurance card.
Alright.
That's pretty cool. Who did the paint work?
I did.
Oh, you did that yourself? Oh, yeah, dude. That's actually pretty sweet.
Yeah, I used like a light brown paint, spray paint, and then I got a dark wood stain, brushed it on over top of it, and I did like a 2K clear coat seal it in.
Dude, that's actually fucking
The key's down there, and just watch out not to burn your hand on the header. I don't know why they put it there.
skinny, man. Five on there? Oh, how about yours? Hopefully not too bad. Busy?
And non-stop.
Are you looking for high beam?
Yeah, have you pictures?
Yeah.
Alright.
It has off, low, and then high.
All good.
Awesome. So it's pretty much just the lights, or put new seals in it.
Yeah, you can see them seeping out. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. Basic stuff.
Do you look at mirrors at all?
Mirrors, yeah.
Are those like technically?
They got a hold adjustment. Technically, they're too small, but
Yeah. All right. And the inspection sticker even kind of matches my paint scheme. Perfect. Hell yeah, we got her inspected, boys. She passed with flying colors. Look, we got the sticker right here. Well, that went well. Everything just kind of worked out. We got her inspected, got to show a couple people the bike, and seems like people really like it. You know what? I don't want to go this way. I'm going to go explore some new roads. It was kind of funny. The inspector guy, I asked him which mileage or which odometer he used, because on my registration slip it said the mileage was like 30,000 something. And that's what was on the old speedometer, the old big stock ones. And this one has 75 miles on it. That's how many miles I put on this bike since I put that speedometer on. And he said he used this one. So on the inspection sticker, it's going to say 75 miles. Brand new bike. So I thought that was pretty cool. But it still says 30,000 something on the registration, because that's what I told the lady. I mean, I don't think anyone would have believed it really only had 75 miles anyways. I don't think I'd be fooling anyone with that. We're just out cruising around. It's a beautiful day. It's starting to kind of turn into fall a little bit. And I've never went past this point on this road. I've always turned left there. But I'm gonna keep going and see what's on this road. It's right by my house, but it's where it starts to turn into out in the countryside, which is really nice. I really want to move, like maybe out this way, just away from too many people and have a little bit more land. Maybe after I sell that house that I'm flipping with my parents, you guys saw that in a different video, and after I sell this bike and finish the TS 185 and sell that, maybe then I'll have enough money for a down payment on a big piece of land somewhere. But we'll see. That's just the dream at the moment. That was a late call too. I think in those other runs I was doing, I shifted too early. It's got a lot of room to run in first, and then second. I mean, you can almost get to 60 in first gear on this bike, but you really gotta, if you want more power, you gotta shift in a second. Whoa. You guys see that? She was halfway into my lane. What the heck? Well, I am here at a little spot, and I'm gonna film the full build reveal video. This one was just a little quick one showing that I got the bike inspected, and that went well. I wasn't quite sure, but I think those guys over there know me now at Cool Valley Cycle, If you want to get your bike inspected and you live in the Canonsburg or Washington area, or get any work done, definitely go to Cool Valley Cycle. They do really good work and they're all really nice there. So check them out. He gave me my sticker. Looks nice, kind of matches the gas tank a little bit. So yeah, that's awesome. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this kind of content, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified of my next build, because this one is just about done. See you guys next time. Peace.